Hi, I'm Nathan Guggenheimer, chef owner here at Avenue Restaurant, and this is my mom, Gail.
Hello.
And we're gonna show you our tips and tricks on how to make a beautiful pie crust and a lovely blueberry pie. We have our fat, our butter, the lard we actually make in-house here at Avenue. We got egg, vinegar, ice water, and then of course our flour and salt. Okay, that's perfect. I'm just kidding. Yeah. And then we're gonna make our well here, Mom. Throw in our butter and lard.
Think that's good?
Yeah, that's beautiful. Just like you taught me, Mom.
Yeah, right.
On the surface we're gonna go. So, not overworking this dough, keeping it nice and cold the whole time. You see how it's still quite flaky? So we're just gonna cut it in half, Mom.
Okay.
One for the bottom, one for the top. And then we're just gonna get this nice and cold again for the next 20 minutes so it all comes together. Yeah, see, you don't need me here. You don't even need my tips or tricks. Do you remember the first pie I ever made?
No.
Oh, that's upsetting.
Roll it over.
You don't need to roll it tight. It's just a little loose
like that.
roll, lift, and in.
There we go.
Okay?
Simple, very simple.
Thanks, Mom. That's beautiful. Now we're gonna have to fill it with blueberries. So I've got wild blueberries, sugar, okay?
Okay.
You're gonna add in a little bit of cornstarch there.
Same amount?
Go. Perfect. And then we've got a little bit of diced butter. I always add in a little bit of pick thyme or some sort of herb. It's gonna bring out the blueberry more than anything. Zest this little bit of lemon on here.
Okay.
Have you done this one before?
No.
Start this end, and then I work this way, and then you go that way.
Okay. All right.
And then I always squeeze a little bit of fresh juice.
Oh, am I doing this right? Is this good
It's
enough?
okay. Yeah, it's perfect. Drop her in the pie. You see, I'm following the seam of the, following that seam of the pie pan, okay? So now we're just gonna give the outside a touch of an egg on.
Drop.
Look at that, Mom.
Whoops.
A little uneven, but.
I missed.
So now I'm just gonna make sure that all this is kind of together. And then what we're gonna do is you pull this up and we pinch.
Oh.
So you put your finger in there and pinch. We're just gonna whisk up this little bit of egg white, but you're gonna add a touch of water to it. Loosen it up there, just a bit of water. Now you can just give that a nice light coating all over. We're gonna put this in the oven at 425 to start for 20 minutes. That way it gets a nice light golden. And then we're gonna drop it down to 350. It's gonna become jam-like in the middle, and it's gonna go for about 30-40 minutes till we have a beautiful pie. Mom, you wanna get the oven for me?
I will.
Thank you.
That looks good.
Whew. Pies always remind me of the holidays at home. Everything becomes nostalgic, you know, and I just remember being on the farm and that kind of stuff.
Granny used to make 12 pies for every person.
There we go. Nice and moist, still holds together.
It's beautiful. What was the herb that you put in there?
Thyme.
That just makes it so much better.
Yeah. What do you think?
I think I can do this.
Yeah?
Thank you.
Can you do it better?
Well, probably.
From now on, you can make the pies at all the family dinners.
Yeah. I don't think so.
Thanks, Mom.
Thank you.
Yeah.